quickly cut across to the news break right now. All right, so the Prime Minister would now be coming in for the final rites of Dr. Singh, and he'd be reaching the Nigam Bodh Ghat. He'd be reaching the Nigam Bodh Ghat at about 11:46. That's the latest news that is coming in. In about 40 minutes from here, the mortal remains of Dr. Singh would be taken, and then will start the final journey of Dr. Singh all the way to Nigam Bodh Ghat. And the latest that we're getting in right now is that the Prime Minister would be coming in for the cremation of the former Prime Minister, Dr. Singh. Piyush, my colleague, breaking this news right now for India Today. Piyush, what more can you add?
Well, Preeti, not only Prime Minister but President, Vice President, they all have to reach here at around 11:36 a.m. We are learning is that Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi will be reaching here at Nigam Bodh Ghat. And let me also straight away try to show you the visuals from right outside the Nigam Bodh Ghat. And these are the live visuals which we are showing are the family members who are now entering inside Nigam Bodh Ghat. And as the family members are arriving here, the security arrangements have been put in place. PM Narendra Modi along with various other dignitaries have to come here, which includes the President. President will arrive here at around 11:42 a.m. Then the Vice President 11:39 a.m. At around 11:15 a.m. Home Secretary will arrive. Then Defence Secretary, Chief of Air Staff, Chief of Naval Staff, Chief of Army Staff, Chief of Defence Staff, Cabinet Secretary, Defence Minister, and Speaker Lok Sabha, PM Narendra Modi, Vice President and the President of India. These are the dignitaries who are part of that entire list who will be reaching here, and the arrival of VVIPs will begin at around 11:15. Before they come here, the family members have just entered inside Nigam Bodh Ghat, and right behind me is the Moksha Dwar from where all dignitaries will enter. Also important to mention that in this state honors, Agniveers are also participating. Visuals which we are right now showing are of the Agniveers who are also going to take part in this in the final rites of Dr. Manmohan Singh. So state honors will be accorded to Dr. Manmohan Singh before the mortal remains of Dr. Manmohan Singh leave from the Congress office. All the preparations have been done here. Security is in place. The entire area has now been converted into a cantonment. Senior police officers are now on the ground, and they are taking note of all the movements that are taking place right now here at Nigam Bodh Ghat. So we have confirmation also coming in that PM Narendra Modi will be reaching here at around 11:36 a.m. and at 11:45 we will see Dr. Manmohan Singh, last rites of Dr. Manmohan Singh to begin.
All right, Piyush, thank you for that information. That's the latest that we're getting in. The Prime Minister, the President, the Vice President would all be at the Nigam Bodh Ghat. They'll be making their way to the Nigam Bodh Ghat at about 11:45 a.m. It's a state funeral with full military honors that will be accorded to the former Prime Minister, Dr. Manmohan Singh.